Alright, let's fucking go! My name's Kanji Coder, source code is here, let's go! Okay, in the hunk ring function section, here's our hunk ringer function that's going to take the room index, the tile size of our explosion, the origin of our explosion, the arms of our explosion, and our output object. So all these things are in the same order here. This is an output, so it has an O underscore. What is the XY cell coordinate of our room? Where are the edges of our explosion? Modulate the edges of our explosion. Top left, top right, bottom left, and bottom right corners of our explosion. The corners of our explosion. Okay, so this lookup table, these two lookup tables, they don't fucking exist yet, right? R13 to R5X and R5Y. These they don't fucking exist. We're gonna have to create them later, okay? Right here, okay. So we're going to take the origin of our explosion and add the explosion arms to get the different edges of our explosion. And then right down here, adjacent rooms. So for any one of these edges, for these 4 different edges, which room are they inside of, right? So if we're going negative, then we got to go to the room to the left. If we're going positive out of bounds, we got to go to the room to the right. And if we're in bounds, then we're in the current room, right? And we're going to do that for the left edge, the right edge, the top edge, and the bottom edge. Just figure out which adjacent rooms are those edges in, right? So if we have a negative, then we're signifying left or top, and if we have a positive, we're signifying right or bottom, depending on if there's an X or a Y there, right? And then 0 just means the current room. Okay, down here, modulated ring edges. We're going to take this edge value, we're going to add 64, and then modulate by 64, so that we can take these values and make sure that they're now in the range 0 to 63 inclusive, right? These are going to be in the range 0 to 63 inclusive because each level is 64 by 64 tiles addressable by the numbers 0 to 63 inclusive, right? And then down here, we're going to combine those different modulated edges in different ways to get the top left, top right, bottom left, and bottom right corners of our explosion within the address space of whatever room those tiles are in. And we'll do more in another video, but we are out of fucking time, and I don't want to record this again. So you've been here. Longer code review is here. My name's Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine. Like and subscribe.